Hey everyone, we were gifted this box from Nippon Journey. So they do a bunch of snacks from Japan. I do see there it says Osaka. I think the theme of this month is Osaka. So we're gonna open this and see what's inside. Ooh. Here, so we have like a little booklet that explains a little bit of the location of Osaka, descriptions of some of the snacks that are inside of this. Try these red pickled ginger tempura flavored potato chips, which I don't think we've ever tried before. It's a very unique flavor. How do you open your potato chips? Do you usually go like this, or do you like
this? Yeah, like this.
See, there's a little. You don't go like this way.
That's Japanese way.
Oh, Japanese way. Kind of like a salt and vinegar.
Right away you can taste it.
Like the hint of ginger. Does it feel like you're eating sushi and then you're having the ginger?
Yeah.
Not bad. So we have the Mayo sauce squid tempura. Cute little characters on there. I'm gonna do the Japanese way. Ooh. Ooh, you can smell the tempura. Very good. Yeah, a little hint of mayo. Strong tempura taste. Very, very crunchy. You know, like ASMR. Let's see how many are in there. Definitely you can finish this in like a sitting. Those are good. Those are good. This is Takoyaki rice cracker. Doing it again, ripping it from the top. Takoyaki. They kind of look like also takoyaki. Ooh.
That's chewy.
It's soft and chewy. What's this comparable to?
Takoyaki.
Yeah, it's comparable to takoyaki. But the texture is kind of like, almost like a popcorn. Almost like a popcorn. Very flavorful. You can't stop eating these. Every single one we open just gets better. I'm liking this Osaka box. So we got some fruit mixed juice, a banana, peach, and apple. Oh, okay. Oh, all right, okay. Wait, are you supposed to jab it in? I'm gonna. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh. Ooh. Let's see that reaction. It's like a really good smoothie, hey?
I taste banana.
Taste banana? Yeah, banana. Yeah, the peach. This is really good. Energized. It's like summer. It's a taste of summer. Oh, these are good. Okay, let's keep them coming. Let's keep them coming. Okay, we got the strawberry chocolate, which I think we tried before, or maybe something similar. So I think we kind of can visualize what this is gonna taste like. There's 3 in here.
It's like this coated.
Looks like almost like an egg. Right, like a dried strawberry. It's exactly what you imagine it, like a milk chocolate, a dried strawberry. Yeah, so we got these ima. They're cough drops, more like on the candy side of things. But I think they are supposed to help soothe throats if you do have some sort of irritation. Oh, we're supposed to suck these, I think. Can you bite them?
No, I can't.
Yeah, I think you're supposed to just suck on these little guys. Like almost like a Tic Tac. Then we have another takoyaki flavor. Like sort of potato chips, I think. Oh, like little French fries.
French fry.
It's like a potato chip, basically. Subtle hint of takoyaki. You mainly taste like the potato more than anything, and just like a little sprinkle. Not bad. Not bad. Kororo fruit juice gummy. And we're gonna try these. I think these are pretty popular. Oh, I can smell it already. The grape. Can you smell it from here?
Ooh.
Oh. Are these the ones you can peel? There's like a skin on the outside. It's like you're tasting a grape, but like a candy almost. Like a really sweet grape. You sort of have like the skin on the outside and like the gummy on the inside. It's very unique.
Pickles.
Like so many
Smell
different. Oh,
Oh.
still takoyaki?
Takoyaki.
Still takoyaki. Everything takoyaki flavored. Okay. It reminds me of those French fry ones we had. Just you have to go a little more seasoning. Yeah. This one you can taste a little bit more. Not bad, not bad. Yeah. Have the plate. I don't know what we're gonna do with this plate, but it's cute. And last is we have the UFO Yakisoba ramen here. So we're gonna, in a little bit, we're gonna cook this and see how good this tastes. Alright. 2, okay. We have 2 lines. We'll be back in 3 minutes. Deal. Oh! Just like drain the water out. Come along with me. Come on. Drain all the liquid out here. Oh, that sauce. Oh yeah. Oh, it's very flavorful. The consistency of the noodles is very chewy. Well, that was our unboxing of the Nippon Journey Box. I'm curious what their other regional area themes that they have going on. I'm excited to finish the rest of these snacks. Bye!
Join us in future travels by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.